You can't save what you don't know you have. So, let's get real about your money. Track your spending for 1 month. Write down every dollar you spend. Use an app, a spreadsheet, or pen and paper. Next, identify needs versus wants. Essentials are non-negotiable. But what about that daily coffee? Streaming subscriptions or takeout? Cut back temporarily. You don't have to give up everything forever. But for now, every dollar you save gets you closer to your emergency fund goal. Let's say you find $5 a day in savings. That's $150 a month. Add in a few bigger cuts, and you could free up $300, $500, or more each month. Remember, this is temporary. Once your fund is built, you can add back some treats. Step 4. Automate your savings. This is the secret weapon of successful savers. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your emergency fund every payday. Even $20, $50, or $100 a week adds up fast. Why automate? Because it takes willpower out of the equation. You don't have to remember, you don't have to decide, it just happens. And you'll be amazed how quickly your fund grows when you pay yourself first.